Let me say something uncomfortable. This is true. Most experts don't fail because they're bad at what they do. They fail because they bring non-business beliefs into a business game. So if you're a therapist, a coach, an author, or a speaker, and you're under-earning, overworking, or consistently tweaking your marketing, well, I made this video for you. And if you're thinking of starting a business in 2026, if this is you, well, this might just save you years. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is Jan. Welcome. And for you, existing subscribers, it's growing. I want to welcome you back as well. All right, so here's the pattern I see over and over. You're good at helping people. You're ethical. You care deeply about outcomes, and then you quietly assume that charging more is a selfish game, that marketing is manipulative, and ads are only for people less qualified than you. So what do? Well, you underprice, over-deliver, and rely on referrals, hope, and hustle. That's not noble. Well, that's basically fragile. And fragile businesses, well, they don't survive in 2026. So here's the reframe. You are not just helping people. If you want more revenue and profit in 2026, here's the first mental shift. You are not running a mission. You are running a market-based business. And that doesn't mean you stop caring. It means you stop pretending that the market doesn't exist. The market rewards clear positioning, clear pricing, and clear outcomes, not effort, not intention, not credentials. And here's reframe number 2. Marketing is not selling. Here's what it is. It's filtering. And what I found is most experts hate marketing. I mean, that used to be me, because they think it means convincing people, pushing people. It doesn't. Good online marketing, whether it's on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube, that's where we run most of our business and for our clients. It does one thing. It filters the right people in and filters out everyone else. Your job isn't to persuade skeptics. Your job is to signal clearly who you help, what problems you solve, and what it costs to work with you. And if someone is surprised by your fee on a call, well, hey, guess what? Your marketing failed. So here's your practical reset for this year. And this is specifically for you if you're just starting out, or maybe you're restarting. This is a simple 2026 reset. Pick one real audience, not anyone who needs help. Pick one core problem that you are known for solving. Set the pricing that supports your energy, not just your empathy. And use paid traffic or content intentionally, not randomly. Let marketing do the heavy lifting before the sales call. That is how grown-up expert businesses work. So hopefully this helps you. 2026 is not the year to be invisible, to be apologetic, or underpaid. You can make a difference and make money, but only if you stop treating business like it's a side effect of helping. If this hits home, I'd love for you to subscribe. And if you want to help turning your business expertise into a real scalable client engine, whether that's ads, funnels, or positioning, check the link below and let's build something solid this year. Thanks for watching, and I'm wishing you the best for this year. More videos coming, by the way, so keep watching. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon.